Mga palangga, our topic for today is about shopping. How to communicate or ask questions when we are buying something. So, let's start now. Tagpila ini or tagpila ni. Tagpila ini or tagpila ni. Tagpila ina or tagpila na. Tagpila ina or tagpila na. How much is 1, 2, or 3 kilos? If you already watched the video that I uploaded regarding numbers, it will be easy for you to ask questions like this. So, how much is 1 kilos of chicken? You will just say, tagpila ang isa. Isa means 1. Tagpila ang isa ka kilos ng manok? Manok is chicken. So, tagpila ang isa ka kilos ng manok? If 2, you will say duha. Tagpila ang duha ka kilos ng manok? Or 3, tatlo. Tagpila ang tatlo ka kilos ng manok? Easy like that. So if you haven't watched the video that I uploaded regarding numbers, I will put a link above so that it will be easy for you to count numbers in Hiligaynon. Pila ka damo? Pila ka damo? Pila ka bilog? Pila ka bilog? Kamahal? Kamahal? May ara ka mo isda? May ara ka mo isda? May ara? May ara? Wala? Wala? Wala tawad? Or wala ayo? Wala tawad? Or wala ayo? So mga palangga, I hope you have learned something from our lesson number 7. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so that you will be notified on the next videos that I will be uploaded. Madamo gid nga salamat!